Navigating the process of showings and open houses is a critical part of the home selling journey. Showings provide a potential buyer with the first-hand experience of the property. Sellers must prepare their homes by ensuring that each room is presentable and clutter-free. Consideration should be given to staging, using furniture and decor to showcase the home's potential and help prospective buyers envision themselves living in the space. Open houses, on the other hand, are scheduled events where the property is open to the public. This provides an opportunity to attract a broader audience of potential buyers. Sellers should collaborate closely with their real estate professional to plan and execute these events. Marketing strategies such as online promotion and signage play a pivotal role in driving attendance to your open house. During showings and open houses, it's important to create a welcoming atmosphere that allows potential buyers to explore the home comfortably. Sellers should temporarily vacate the premises and allow buyers the freedom to assess the property without feeling rushed. Feedback from showings and open houses are invaluable. Sellers can use this feedback to make informed adjustments to enhance the property's appeal. Overall, effective management of showings and open houses contributes significantly to the overall success of the home selling process, creating a positive impression that can lead to successful offers and a swift, satisfactory sale. To start your home selling journey, contact me at 803-814-6136 today. And if you're watching me on YouTube, hit the bell button or the subscribe button and learn about my new videos every week.